Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
First, we understand our question. The program has to accept the date in the format of dd, yy, and then print the dates from the first date, that is the first day of the month, till the next date of the date d. So first we are going to accept the date d in the format of dd, yy, and then we are going to print the dates from the first day of the month till the next date of d. So we'll take our first test case. So here you can see we have got 6th Feb 2019. This is our date d. So we are going to print from the first day of the month, that is the 1st Feb 2019, till the next date of d. So the next date of d is 7 Feb. So we have printed till 7 Feb. Now we'll take our another test case. So in this test case we have date d as 29 Feb 1996. So we'll start from the first day of the month, that is 1st Feb 1996, and since we have date d as 29, the next date of d will be March 1st, as it is the February month. So we have to print dates till March 1st, and this will be our output. Now let us implement our program. First we'll get our inputs. So before that we have to import the date, time, and now we'll get our input, that is the date d, and then we have the date, so which represents the first day of every month. So 01 plus d of 2 colon. So for example, if we have this date means, then this date will be of 01 and d of 2 colon will give the month and year. So the date will give the first day of the month. So now after getting the d and the date, now we have to convert the date to datetime object, also the d to datetime object using the strptime function. So it will be in the format of this. So here d is converted to datetime object, and in the same way we'll convert date to datetime object, and after that we'll run an infinite loop. So it's clear that we have to print from the date to the next date of d. So now in this loop we'll have, so while true, and here we'll print the date using the strftime function. So as it starts from the first day of the month, So we'll have date and we'll use strftime function in the format of this, and after this we'll go to our condition, that is if the date minus d dot days is equal to 1, means then we have to break the loop. That is the difference between the date and the d, that is it has to go up to the next date of d. So when it goes there, it becomes 1. So if it becomes 1, then we are going to break the loop. So this will automatically break the loop, and when we get the next date of d. Now after this, in the else part, we'll have to just increment the date by 1. So for that, date plus equal to date time dot time delta of days equal to 1. So now let us run our program. We'll pass our first test case. So we have got the correct output from the first day of the month to the next date of the date D. Now we'll pass our second test case. So here we have got the output from the first day of the month to the next date of date D.
Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.